gidigba for Osun. As Osun State Tourism Board gone body with Tourism Association of Nigeria, FTAN bring una Odua Festival, the regional festival for inbound tourism and cultural integration. We go bring all the Southwest together. His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II. Now in the host also, and in they welcome all them traditional rulers wey dey Southwest. The theme na promoting regional tourism, economic expansion and development. You no wan miss Oodua Festival 2024 and all the ogbonge plus exciting celebration of our culture with the values. For ODUAFEST, you go enjoy arts and crafts, sports, culture, entertainment, agric show, hospitality and exhibition. Make I yarn you, this Southwest program go start on 23rd of June and go end on the 25th of June 2024 at the Center for Arts and Black Culture International, Odua Pikin. Home and abroad, Naija people, home and abroad, abeg no dey dollar. Come make we join hands together, lift Odua Festival, the Ooni of Ife. Na im dey implore us o, say make we join hands together, gather promote and celebrate our cultural values. Our better governor for Osun State, Senator Jackson Ademola Adeleke, na him go welcome Southwest governors for Odua Festival 2024. Odua people, make we no dull am at all o. For this year ODUAFEST, I want make all of us come. If I dey tell you say na our governor dey host something, you know it's gonna be fun. My name na Mobi.